Okay, welcome back to day number 2. Hope you all had an enjoyable evening. We have a packed schedule this morning, and the first opening comments and presentation are going to be offered by Jim Hughes and introduced by Jim Hughes. So, Jim.
All right. Thank you, David. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Just a few comments as I was reflecting last night on what we heard yesterday. I think we heard about the past and the present, and today is more future-oriented, and we're going to be considering strategies, interventions, policies, and evaluations that need to be thought about going forward. Now, just a few comments of a couple of bullet points in terms of things that I heard that resonated with me. We heard that the Sustainable Development Goals are potentially a guiding light if they're treated as testable. And this was Chris's presentation at the beginning, and he suggested that we should be thinking about a research agenda associated with the SDGs. We heard that slum health is a key determinant of global health. We heard that Anopheles vectors have decreased in cities and that Aedes vectors have increased. We heard that the structure of agriculture in slums is changing and will continue to change going forward. We heard about trends in urbanization, the demographics. And we heard a bit, I think I alluded at one point to the proliferation of megacities that is projected to continue. Most of these will be in low-income and lower middle-income country settings. We heard about the importance of social gradients of risk, the need for more focus on super spreaders and super spreader events. A question was raised, why is there reluctance to engage in addressing water and sanitation issues? And I think we'll be focused on that some this morning. And to me, there was a recurrent theme, and I don't think the term One Health was mentioned yesterday afternoon. But in thinking about the issues at the human, animal, environmental interface that were recurrent yesterday, I think you would agree that the One Health approach is certainly relevant to issues in urban and peri-urban slums. One final thought is, although this wasn't stated, I think it became fairly obvious to me, these are issues that cross all 3 academies here at the National Academies, and it offers an opportunity going forward to engage across the 3 academies. So with that, unless anybody has any comments, we've changed the program slightly this morning, and you'll see it's in the final version is in the booklet that you have. Tom Scott has graciously agreed to introduce our first speaker, who is Steve Lindsay.